Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neha and I am back with another video. If you guys are new here or if you have not already subscribed to my channel, then please take a moment to hit that red button down below and subscribe to my channel. I would really love that, and also give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. For today's video, I have a really pretty and really cute haul for you guys, and it's a short kurti tunic haul from Amazon, and I absolutely love all the kurtis or all the short kurtis and tunics that I have in this haul because they are so soft, so comfortable, cottony, perfect for summers. You can easily wear them to college, office, and they're gonna look so pretty and classy at the same time. I've recently been loving wearing these short kurtis slash tunics with jeans, like straight fit jeans ho gaya, flared jeans ho gaya. They look so amazing. I got all of them under 599 rupees, which is a great price for all of the kurtis. I can't wait to share all of the kurtis with you guys because I know you guys are gonna love it. Also, I will mention the size and the price on the screen somewhere throughout the video. I think I got all of them in the size extra small. So yeah, I think without further ado, let's start this video. So the first kurti that I have for you guys is the one that I'm wearing right now. It's such a beautiful red colored kurti with a single pattern or print all over it. So good for casual wear. आप इसको style up कर सकते हो with more accessories. You can wear bangles or jhumkas, and yeah, you can just style them up with accessories and they're gonna look so pretty. It is in 100% cotton material, so they are perfect for summers. आप इसको comfortably पहन सकते हो for long hours, so you can easily wear it to college, office, कहीं भी पहन सकते हो. It is of the perfect length, so this will go really good with like flared jeans. आपको try on part में दिखेगा. As you can see, इसका sleeves are like 3/4 ending at your elbows and they have like a button design sort of here. यहाँ पे भी buttons है like mustard colored buttons and they are attached, तो ये fixed है, ये खुलता नहीं है. Now I got this in the size extra small from Janasya brand, and if you've seen my previous videos, मैं Janasya से पहले भी shopping की हुई हूँ and their extra small fits me perfectly. I think I got it for like 580 rupees and 580 rupees for this 100% cotton kurti, and it looks so pretty, so I absolutely love it. So the next item that I have for you guys is something that I was so excited about because ये photo में इतना ज़्यादा pretty लग रहा था, and in real life it's actually better. It's prettier and और भी ज़्यादा like vibrant and colorful. It is this very pretty multicolored tunic. Now it actually has a white base and उसके ऊपर multicolor का like flowers, leaves सब बना हुआ है, and it is so pretty. If this does not scream summer, I don't know what does. It again has like a round neck with a small V cut in the middle, and that looks so feminine, so pretty. Now मैंने order place करते समय ये notice नहीं किया था, but it has these vertical stripes of mirror work design which makes this kurti even more beautiful, and I absolutely love it. So यहाँ पे दो vertical strips है on both the sides, plus they have the same design on the arms as well. Now ये आपको देख के लग रहा होगा कि ये काफी boxy fit होगा, but नहीं, इसके waist में actually tie up detailing दिया हुआ है as you can see. तो आप इसको यहाँ से टाइट कर सकते हो, लूज कर सकते हो एंड टाई अप कर सकते हो, एंड इट्स गोना फिट यू perfectly. Now one more very cute detailing that they have added is these shell flowers at the end of the tie-ups. I was not expecting this, but look at them. They look so cute, and ये ऐसे झंझन करते हैं. Again, it's 100% cotton. Now even though it's white, it's not see-through at all, तो आप इसको comfortably पहन सकते हो without any like slip inside. And I got this from a brand called Cortland Fashion. मैंने इनसे पहली बार shopping किया है, but I'm gonna shop more kurtis. उनके पास ऐसा like printed, very vibrant colored kurtis बहुत सारा है, so I'm gonna shop from them again. And I think I got this for like 528 rupees. 528 for this kurti is a steal, and I think you should go check them out right now. The next kurti that I have for you guys is this beautiful maroon colored like peplum kurti, and it is so pretty. Like look at it. ये waist तक थोड़ा सा fitted है and then ये पूरा flare हो जाता है. Same for the sleeves, ये elbow तक थोड़ा सा fitted है and then इसके sleeves flare हो जाते हैं. ये भी again 100% cotton है, not see through at all, and this is gonna be again very comfortable for summers. आप इसको आराम से long hours के लिए पहन सकते हो, so you can wear this to office, college, या कहीं भी पहन सकते हो. You can style it up, style it down, and this is gonna look amazing with straight fit jeans. इसमें I think there are more colors, like a lot of options, so you can choose whichever color you like. Now this is from a brand called Raitras, and I've not shopped from them before. I got this again in the size extra small and it fits me very comfortably. एकदम skinny fit and एकदम like tight fit नहीं आता है, तो ये काफ़ी comfortable है. If you don't prefer your kurtis to be एकदम fitted, then I think this would be a really nice option for you. Now इसका tag पे the price says 1599, but I got it only and only for 399 rupees, and I think 399 is a great price for this kurti. The next piece that I have for you guys is I think one of my most favorites in this haul, be it in terms of the color, the print, the quality. I think iska quality is the best among all of the kurtis that I've bought for today. Look at this kurti, how pretty. Look at the color, it is such a beautiful light pink color and इतना ऐसे minimal था इसमें leaves का white and blue and black leaves का ऐसे pattern बना हुआ है, which I absolutely love. This looks and screams summer. Like summers में जब आपको ऐसे light weight बहुत minimal सा कुर्तीज पहनना होता है, I think this is the one. This is obviously 100% cotton and as I said, इसका quality I think is the best among all of them. It feels so soft and so comfortable on the skin. I can literally sleep wearing it. इतना ज़्यादा soft and comfortable है ये. It has like a round neck and this cute little round button detailing here, which looks so cute. And इसका sleeves are again 3/4 in length. Now I've tried this brand for the first time and it is called Tissue. I think it's called Tissue, and it is again in the size extra small. And as you can see in the try-on part, it fits me perfectly and I got it only for 539 rupees. 539 rupees mein if you're getting this quality, I think it's amazing. So go get it right now. And the last kurti that I have for you guys is this beautiful black colored kurti. मेरे haul में कुछ black ना हो, it is not possible. Now this is again from Janasya, तो ये एकदम first वाले जैसा है. Like it's black in color with this beautiful orange colored floral pattern all over it. इसका design, इसका neck, everything is similar to the first one. And इसमें भी यहाँ पे ऐसे button detailing दिया हुआ है on the neck. इसका material is again 100% cotton, so it's very comfortable. आप इसको आराम से पहन सकते हो without feeling uncomfortable or hot or sweaty, and it is perfect for summers. तो आप इसको आराम से style कर सकते हो with like झुमकास and jeans and some heels, and ये बहुत ज़्यादा cute लगेगा. Now it is again in the size extra small and I got it I think only for 420 rupees. 420 rupees में जानस्या का कुर्ती is a steal because इसका material, quality, stitching, everything is perfect. So yeah guys, those were all of the short kurtis / tunics that I had for you guys in this haul, and I hope you guys like them as much as I did. I feel like the quality is great for the price at which I got them, and yeah, I'm gonna be leaving all the links to these kurtis down below in the description box, so you can go check them out. I had a couple of favorites, so let me know in the comments down below कि आपका favorite कौन सा था. And yeah, if you guys like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also comment down below what other videos, haul videos आपको क्या देखना है, and I would love to make them. And please subscribe to my channel if you have not already, because that would mean the world to me. And I will see you soon in another video. Till then, bye.
I know that it's late.